Alright, we are about to start on the San Francisco Crosstown Trail. We're currently at mile 0 at Candlestick Point. And we're doing this hike with Gouda, Alec, Kat, Penny, Nicholas, Luna, and Jeff. And maybe some others joining us. So, yay! Here we go!
Stay tuned for updates.
Woo!
2 miles in, we're definitely in the city. We've gotten far off trail, and everybody's doing pretty okay. Though I was pretty hungry, so we stopped in for some race fuel.
Two pieces.
Not drop it.
A couple pieces of pizza. So
Yeah, Gouda thought you died.
we're fueled and ready to go, and we're ready to keep going. So 2 miles down, 15 to go. Alright, 3 mile update. We've made it into John McLaren Park. It is the third largest park?
Largest in the city, third mile.
Yeah, third largest park for the third mile. Pretty cool. Views are great. Carl the Fog is doing us a solid today. He could be on the other side of the bay and stuff. We'll find out when we cross the trail. 7-Eleven pizza slaps. Oh, that's crazy. We're sitting at a 444. I feel like this was intentional by the people who designed the Crosstown Trail. Pretty cool. We're 4 miles in. Left John McLaren Park a little bit ago. Been walking through some neighborhood and going to some direction. But yeah, 4 miles in. Morale is high. Here's the squad. Pretty blue house. And crazy. We're standing next to 444.
Jeff walked several miles without eating pizza.
And it has been several miles without pizza, which is rather disappointing. So we'll remedy that here soon. Yeah, dogs are happy, people are happy, pizza's on the mind, we're getting at it. Six mile update, still feeling good. We made it to the start of Glen Canyon. You can see it on the signs. We're ready to tackle the hardest part of this Crosstown Trail. Dogs are still with us too. They're doing some rehydrating for the hard part. All right, 7 miles in. We are down half our count-ish. We lost 3 dogs, and by lost I mean we sent them home. We did not lose them. And then yeah, and 2 humans took those dogs home. So we're down to 3. More people are joining us in a bit. But yeah, we are, what did I say we were, 7 miles in? Yeah, 7 miles in, 10 more to go. About to do a decent chunk of Twin Peaks up that way, which will be really cool. So yeah, 7 miles in, more people joining us shortly. But for now, doing part of Twin Peaks, getting to the other side to the next check-in. And we're in a really cool spot. What'd you say it was called?
Laguna Honda.
Laguna Honda, which sounds like a race course, but not. So yeah, super cool views. Really fun seeing different parts of SF that we wouldn't see otherwise. So 9 miles to go. We're gonna rock on. Picked up a straggler, a late joinee to this Crosstown Trail adventure. So yeah, 8 miles to go. A lot of uphill in our next 20 minutes, and we'll see how we feel about that. So it's a bunch of uphill and then a food pit stop. Yeah, 8 miles to go. See you at the next check-in. right, 10-mile check-in. We are at the top of another peak that I didn't think we would have to do before having food. So a little sad about it, but that's okay. 7 miles to go. Yeah, 4 p.m. We're almost to lunch. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna drop down off this hill. We're gonna skirt Golden Gate Park. We're gonna have some lunch, and then we're gonna hoof on. I say we're at 10. Yeah, 10. 7 miles to go. Getting delirious, but I need lunch. Underestimated how many miles it was to get to lunch. So now we're at lunch. Just ticked over 11 miles. It's 5.5 hours in. Morale will be back to high once we finish this pizza. No, morale's still high. It's not low, but like it could be higher. And pizza will recharge us, and then morale will be back to 100%.
Weary travelers, would you like some stickers? Yeah.
12-mile check-in. We're on Golden Gate Park. It's pretty cool here. We had food. Stumbled upon a rave in the park that was clowns versus wizards themed. Pretty cool. When I was talking about morale earlier, I really meant my blood sugar, and we're back at it. So ready to go on. 5 more miles to go. Back at it. We're on this cool little narrow windy path, following the one up till we get to the Presidio. Feeling great, working fast, a little faster progress than when we had the dogs. Different type of good time. All right, 14-mile check-in. I'll keep it short. 3 miles to go. We just hit the Presidio. We're getting back to it. $15-mile check-in. ABP, always be peaking. 2 miles to go, riding high. Let's go.
Going strong.
Well, my father's wife then had a son, which kept him on the run. And he became my grandchild, for he was my daughter's son. Well, that's a pretty cool sight.
Wow, that is so cool. I couldn't say that.
Golden Gate and ocean. Mile 16 done. 1 mile to go. I don't know why we're doing this, but it's fun.
Woo! Great job.
Nice. All right, everyone hold up 18.
We made it. We made it.
We did it!
18 miles, crossed from the southeast point of San Francisco to the northwest point of San Francisco. And the last point in
Land's End.
last point here that really gets sun, and The sun is setting, so we timed it well. Let me hop up on this thingy and show you. 17 miles later, but it actually ended up being like 18. Because, yeah, we made a couple wrong turns. Forgot to pay attention to the map, all that fun stuff, but yeah. There you go. Pretty cool.
We had the bonus mile we had to do to get to the trailhead.
Yeah. Bonus mile's important.